So a couple of months ago I bought a cabinet to be assembled from Home Depot Vanity, and it was such shoddy workmanship I was not even able to assemble. I just basically threw it in the trash, lost my $280 or whatever, $240. So I bought one from a company called Cabinets to Go, and this one I was able to assemble. And initially I thought we were going to paint it, but I decided to go with the this gray color they have, and I put a clear coat sealer on it. And when you do that, you want to use a water-based sealer, not an oil-based one. The oil-based one will yellow. But anyway, there are 3 defects with this cabinet, but I think I'll still use it. Here down at the bottom there, that toe kick is about ½ an inch too long on both sides, so you get that thing that sticks out there. Well, given that's such a small surface area, I'm just going to get some gray paint, and it doesn't have to be an exact match. If it's close, it'll be okay. It's not that noticeable. I'm going to touch that up with some gray paint. That's one defect. So here they've got these little corner brackets to further reinforce the cabinet. And if you use the screw that they provided, it's really close to puncturing this outside. And of course, you have the same issue over here where you could puncture something. I think it's better to put some washers here, and I'm going to screw some washers. It's recessed in a little bit more. It'll be better. Of course, this will be covered with a granite countertop anyway, I suppose, but I don't like the idea of penetrating something like that. They have these brackets, like there's one there, getting ready to attach. Well, if you go to our corner, those 2 corners, that one there and that one there, it's got that cam lock mechanism that's too high. So when you put the bracket in there, it's above this right here. So I'm going to have to cut this out down there to get it to recess more. Go in there, which I'll do. But so I can make use of this cabinet, but it's just typical that there's 3 or 4 design flaws in this thing when you get into it. This cabinet had one other defect that's correctable. If you go to look at this back plate, use that to anchor to a stud on the wall. And you can see there's a gap there, about 1/8 of an inch on right there on that side right there. So I'm gonna and this board here, let's back up. This board here is about 4 inches wide. So I'm gonna get a piece of wood from that I'm gonna glue a construction adhesive caulk in there. The reason you don't want that is if you anchor this to, you don't know where the stud's gonna be. It could be right in here. And if you, with a screw, try to get that close to the drywall, it's going to put stress. It's going to bend this board and put stress on this corner bracket here. So this should be flush with the drywall. And right now it's not. It's off by 1/8 inch, so I got to correct that.